Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and importing audio so editing is fast and error-free. First, confirm sample rate and bit depth to avoid pitch or sync issues. Mismatches cause artifacts. Next, organize files into labeled folders and keep originals untouched. This prevents accidental overwrites. Then, import your WAV or MP3 tracks into the session and create separate tracks for dialogue, music, and SFX. Once done, set session markers for sections you'll edit, so you can jump straight to content without searching. You now clean and edit the audio to make it intelligible and smooth. Use a low-cut filter to remove rumble, then apply spectral or broadband noise reduction carefully so voices stay natural. Overdoing it makes audio hollow. Trim silences and use short crossfades, 1/2 to several milliseconds, to eliminate clicks. Arrange tracks with dialogue prioritized, music under it with sidechain ducking, and SFX placed in stereo field. Once arranged, listen through transitions to ensure pacing and continuity. Before moving, you finish by mixing and exporting so the audio is ready for video. Apply gentle EQ to remove boxiness and use compression to even dynamics. Target around -3 dB LUFS for dialogue clarity. Automate levels for music ducking and check stereo balance. Export a high-quality WAV for the editor, plus an MP3 for quick review. If things go wrong, do a phase check, relaunch your DAW, or revert to the original backup. These steps usually recover sync or corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.